Last day of rehearsal, and tomorrow the tour starts. Are you fully prepared?
Personally, I think I'm fully prepared. Are you both prepared? I think we are. Yeah.
I think I'm prepared. I think we did our first run yesterday.
How did that go?
I think, yeah, for a first run, it was good. I think we still have some things to work on that we can bring into the second and the third, just to kind of like tighten things and bring out certain like aspects of the play and the characters and so on. But I think we're in a really good place.
Summerton.
Yes.
Are you ready?
You will prepare.
I'm excited. No, I am very much excited. Excited to see where things go. After doing the first run yesterday and seeing, even though there were eggy moments as first runs do, I can see how much this show has to build and how much we can like progress and transgress in making some work. And I'm excited to see what we do. We've got 4 months. We've got 4 months.
Three,
here,
you
so.
look amazing. Costumes look great.
Oh, thank you.
Really good. Really good indeed. So Josh, what do you want to achieve by the end of today then? Reading some tour. Anything specific?
I'd like to get 2 runs in, 2 runs that give us just a bit more polishing, but also give us, I think, the confidence and the readiness for taking the school tomorrow by storm. 2 runs and to just then get to Bristol.
Em.
For me, I've got 2 things to work on. The first one being vocal stuff, voice, making sure that I'm projecting properly so that everyone can hear. And the second one is at the start of the play to kind of infuse Juliet with a sense of real gusto and ballsy strength, because we need to believe where she goes to later in the play. And I think to believe where she goes to later in the play, we need to have that from the start.
Brilliant. Summerton.
Allowing the audience to be able to see everything with the narrator, because of how crazy the narrator can be, because of how eclectic and how much he does, allowing it so that it doesn't become too much. That audience sit back and go, well, I'm confused, I have no idea where I am, I don't know what's going on. I need to work on being able to bring in that focus for the narrator so that the audience go, I know exactly where I am, I know exactly what's happening, let's keep going.
Today is the last day of rehearsing, and then the tour starts. So, Josh and Samantha, you toured with Jekyll and Hyde before Christmas. Tell us a little bit about what touring's about. How's it for you?
I really love it. Personally, I'm someone that likes to see new places, explore new places, meet new people, and I think it's a lovely feeling to be on the road and to be taking something you're proud of in a collective on the road to different parts of the country. It's intense, it's busy, it is tiring at points, but it's that sort of, good
it's
tiring.
A fun tiring.
It's a fun tiring. You're like, I'm
tiring.
tired, but I'm doing what I love, and it's a lot of fun.
What about you, Samantha?
Yeah, I mean, I'll just echo what Josh said. It is a fun tiring because it's work that we want to do. It's something that we've been training for, and it's something that, I've always wanted to do. I've always wanted to be in a position of being able to take a show on the road and see all these different people and being able to go across all of England. So we're seeing so many different cultures, so many different people, and it's beautiful. It's a beautiful experience.
Each venue is different.
Yes.
You do not know what your venue is going to be like, and so that does require a flexibility and an adaptability as well to be able to deliver.
Yeah.
So looking forward to it. Yeah. Listen, thank you. Good luck for the tour, and listen, everyone out there, thank you for watching our history of rehearsals, and see you again very soon.